Hello, my name is Joachim Zimmermann. I'm German, I'm gynecologist and cytologist. I was invited by UNFPA to come to Turkmenistan and assist the government by introducing the HPV screening. Since 30 years I'm working on cytology and HPV testing. As a gynecologist, I also talk many times with women, and the question always was, if I am HPV positive, do I have cancer or what happened? And they often were afraid. But I can assure you, only an HPV test don't say that you have cancer. It just detect and they say, probably you are at risk and we have to do something. And knowing that you are at risk, we can prevent that you will develop cancer. If you're infected with the HPV virus, it will take over 10 years until it develops cancer. During this time, the majority of the women will overcome this infection and will be then HPV negative. Only about 1 out of 10 will keep a so-called persistent infection. And this persistent infection is the risk to develop cancer. My personal recommendation, if you're over 30 years, please go and have the new HPV test as a screening. It's very important. So save your life, go to screening and tell all your friends they should go there.